Ever dreamt of exploring the far reaches of our planet, venturing into the heart of the wild, and coming face to face with creatures few have encountered? Today, prepare to be transported into the captivating world of rare and lesser-known exotic animals, where the realms of imagination meet the wonders of reality. This journey might just inspire your next adventure. From the remote rainforests of Madagascar to the mystical mountains of Bhutan, we're about to unveil the extraordinary beauty of creatures that often remain hidden. Creatures that could be your reason to explore these remarkable corners of our planet. Our journey begins in the captivating rainforests of Madagascar, a haven for unique and elusive creatures. Here we're on a quest to encounter the enigmatic eye, a rare and bizarre-looking lemur known for its elongated finger. This nocturnal marvel showcases nature's endless creativity, reminding us that there are still mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Our next destination takes us to the mystical mountains of Bhutan, where the skies are adorned by the striking Himalayan monal, also known as the bird of 9 colors. The vibrant plumage of this elusive bird reflects the untouched beauty of these remote landscapes, reminding us of the fragile balance between nature and human impact. Our adventure leads us to the enchanting forests of Papua New Guinea, home to the peculiar and mesmerizing tree kangaroo. This unique marsupial defies expectations and showcases the incredible adaptations that creatures undergo to thrive in their specific environments. Our exploration wouldn't be complete without a journey to the mystical Brazilian wetlands, where we have the privilege of encountering the elusive giant anteater. This intriguing creature serves as a testament to the wonders of evolution, captivating us with its distinctive appearance and specialized hunting techniques. As we conclude our expedition into the secrets of nature, remember that the world is vast, and its wonders are infinite. These rare beings are more than just animals, they are gateways to the unknown, beckoning us to venture beyond our comfort zones. So, who knows? Your next journey might lead you to the very habitats where these enigmatic creatures roam. Keep your curiosity alive, and who knows what extraordinary encounters await you on your path of discovery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration, tips, and tricks.